Welcome to WaxWing, the only project management tool you will ever need for your marketing initiatives. Enter your website, select your job role, and watch as WaxWing gathers market intelligence about your business target audience, detailed user personas, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and more, all in real time. Now, feast your eyes on your team's personalized dashboard. This will soon become the mission control for your company's growth. Let's add a new initiative and experience the magic of WaxWing's AI, trained on thousands of curated strategies, now personalized for your business and KPIs most relevant to your job role. Upload a document for more personalized initiatives, update your KPIs, tell WaxWing about your preferred channels, audience timelines, and more. Not even the sky is the limit when it comes to brainstorming ideas with WaxWing AI. Once you are ready to proceed with an initiative, simply verify the business intelligence to get a very detailed step-by-step plan with KPI targets, budget, list of required tools, tasks with a detailed scope of work, and everything else you will need to execute the chosen initiative. It's that simple. But wait, there is more with Marketing GPT and curated prompt library. You can generate compelling content, add copies, blog posts, and more from within your task management screen with functionalities akin to Jira or Monday. Assign tasks, set timelines, and manage workflows with seamless precision. WaxWing isn't just a tool. It's your AI-powered partner in marketing success, from in-depth analysis to strategic execution. WaxWing revolutionizes ideation, planning, and execution. Embrace the future of marketing with WaxWing, accelerate your growth experiments, and achieve success at hyperspeed.